Okay, so what I have been coming to the presumed, this is becoming more obvious. Uh, this power is probably just going to be passed down, like handed to you. And kind of like she can take it away or give it to you. Mr. Cheeks put me in a simulation where I had a red suit on and a cape. And he was like, this was like a year and a half ago or 2 years ago, and I was in the South region meditating in the park when those Finks showed up when I was telling you about. He puts me in this suit and he says, all right, you got the power, what you gonna do? And I'm like, "Rah!" And I grabbed this 5G tower and it was real. It was just real because this is all photonic simulations. And Mr. Cheeks is like a projector screen, if you will, like a light projector coming into a flat plane, creating a 3D projection of what appears to be real. But he gives me this power, and same thing happens on Cool World. Jack Deeps touches the sun, and what I can tell is that when they're hanging out in here, they float around in here sometimes, and sometimes when I see him, he's not all the way materialized, and it tells me that if I were able to touch him from where he's sitting, maybe it might happen right then, because they hang out in here. So it's interesting. It's becoming quite apparent that I'm working hard for this for disciplinary reasons. And that's the reason why she's allowing, it seems like people on Facebook, they're not serious about classes or something like that, and they just want to try to waste my time. It's making me laugh at them and making me become more patient. And it's all happening. These people think they're playing their own game, but they're just not. They're helping me become this. So she showed me, she's like, they're going to wish they apologize. I go down there and the whole shit just comes undone and turns into like these shards of like fucking nasty ass electric fucking metal melted like Dr. Manhattan. I was like, holy shit. She was like, they're going to wish they apologize. This woman is extremely powerful, man. She's showing you unconditional love so you will learn what this place is about. This place is about love, man. It's not about eating children and being wicked, man. It's not about people stealing from people and being greedy and all this stuff that's going on in here. It's not about adrenochrome. It's not about none of this stuff. We're made to love. We're super people and super men and women lovers. That's pretty much what we are. And our abilities are connected to our chakras, which we are conditioned to exercise this transitional passing of energy that illuminates us and ascends us and makes us more intelligent and things like that. And that's all it is. I mean, we can paint pictures. We can say, oh, it's sex. When we say that, it creates a series of stigmas and taboos, all kinds of different things that we've learned that don't really hold water to nothing. We might as well just drop languages altogether. But she shows me this and I'm just like, these motherfuckers are fucked, man. This is bad. Like, they need to come out and apologize. Like, this is literally the future. She also showed me myself walking around in this Mickey suit, and when I saw it, I thought when I painted it, I wanted it to make him look more like Mickey, but instead, when she shows me, he stretches himself out when he comes out in the protective fashion, whereas I also have the ability to split apart into like 7 versions of myself, kind of like how a reptilian on Run the Jewels when they're in that jail. You see them split into 3. They have 3 chakras. We got 7 of them. So Mickey can be his regular self. Like he can be this, or he can be the super suit. And she shows me like at different times he'll swell up and become like a covering of sorts. So I was walking around in the street like this. It was a trip, dude. I was like, holy shit, this shit is like. She shows me these things, and this is the future, and this is the future too. And what I can see is that she can just take people's powers away or give it back to them, and we already kind of can see that that's a thing that happens. The Shazam movie shows us that the being shows up and just hands it to a kid. So it just seems to me like this is something that I'm working for, so I can become more disciplined. For whatever reason, and this is all happening in divine timing. People that tell me I need to hurry up, and oh, Grim, man, you sound like you're daywalkers. You sound like you're scared. You know what I mean? Like you're scared of something. Like you're scared of underground or maybe she's waiting on for y'all to get cleaned out of here. Maybe she don't want you around here no more. I don't blame her. I don't fucking blame her, man. But this Mickey dude was walking around big as shit, like fucking muscular. And I was like, wow, is that sitting on top of my arm? Huh. And she shows it to me, like all this stuff. And, you know, and it's going to happen because she says it's going to, which tells me that I could just sit right here on my ass and she'll just, you know, all right, you ready? Shh. Or wait, they did the useless eater thing. All right, now we're going to take it back. You know what I mean? It's just, she's powerful. She's the queen of the universe. You guys are mistaking unconditional love and the means of ascension with filthy, raunchy, floozy sex and all this stuff. And you're deceived yourselves with lies. And you can't see that that she's the queen of the universe. That's what she is. And you've got it all wrong. And it doesn't matter, you know, you're just wrong. So this stuff is going to happen one way or another. And I could walk and say, look, I don't want to sun gaze no more. It ain't going to make no difference, man. It's not going to make a difference. I'm just disciplining myself and I'm making myself go through the hardships because, hey, I'm earning it. You know, I'm earning this every day. I'm outside. I'm doing things. And she chooses a champion for this. But that doesn't stop you guys from weaponizing yourselves because you have a natural immune system against these creeps. You do. And that's what we're learning when we use these bands and stuff that we have on our arms. It's making you electrical. If you hurt yourself with this electrical ability, you are making yourself lethal against monsters that want to touch your flesh and stuff like that. This DNA activation that pops out. It's an extra immune system that shuts out the chemtrails and all that. And it's essential for you to protect your family. And hey, we're going to win. It doesn't matter what they say. It doesn't matter what Balamelech says. It doesn't matter that they're trying to put cameras in my face because they need a doppelganger to convince the people on the ground that they've captured Grimm or something. None of that shit means nothing. All these people are just a bunch of idiots. All right. And at the end of the day, it's going to be what she says. We're all inside of her. All right. It's going to be what she wants. And at the end of the day, we do have free will. And sometimes that can be a detriment to how we behave. But hey, she's the queen, man. What she says is going to go. She can give me this power whenever she wants. She can take it away. They can materialize literally in my immediate surroundings, which they do countless amounts of times. And I can see now I'm just being disciplined for this. So anybody that's worried about it, you sound like a shill. I'm not worried about it. If you got problems, those are your problems. Those aren't my problems to run around and worry about all your dark thoughts of this changing over and ending. That's not my problem. That's your problem. That's not my baggage to carry. And hey, I'm waiting on the sun to come out so I can go run out there like I got to work for this. But what I can tell is that she can take this away from me. She can give it to me. The sun shows myself in a simulation when you full blown capacity of this power, they can do it whenever they want. That's what I can tell. So it's becoming more apparent. Folks, it's going to happen one way or another. I hope they apologize. Welcome to Grim Nasty TV.